Today we are taking a look at this car jump starter. Yes, I'm not in front of a car because I'm not going to pretend my car's battery is not working and pretend to do a little fake jump for you. Instead, I'm going to answer all your questions, walk you through everything you could possibly want to know about this because this thing is awesome. I've had trouble with cars. We're just getting out of the winter season, and I actually did have to use this in the past. People want to know if you could jumpstart a motorcycle with this, and the answer is yes. It's compatible with 12-volt motorcycles and works with small engines as well. It does come with a carrying case right over here, and it does not state that it is waterproof, but I think what a lot of people are getting at, can you use it in the rain? I don't see why you wouldn't be able to. I wouldn't be throwing this in a bucket of water. So just note that. So you're gonna get this case right over here, which is great. You'll see here, all the directions come inside. You can put your cables right over here, and the actual device goes here, and you get this charger, which is great. One thing I do like about this right over here, you turn this on, it tells you where we're at over here. It also has a flashlight function. So if we hold this in just like that, if it's dark out, you could see that the flashlight goes off. If you want it to flash, if you're kind of like telling someone, hey, I'm over here, like they could see that. And then we kind of have a slower one over here. Now, I am someone who's not like super handy, super automobile-y. So one of the features I love the most is if you have these hooked up to the wrong cable, the wrong part of the battery, it is going to tell you. And I'm going to show you that in a second. So you'll see right over here, we got the top as well. You'll see you have some this is where we're going to plug them in right over here. You'll notice it's really nice. This one kind of has like a little oval to it, and this one is a circle. So it's literally impossible to plug this into the wrong one. You also here have this is where we're going to charge it here. And then we just have cables as well here. So if you had to charge your phone or anything like that, you have the option to do that with this as well. It's just not for the jump starter. You'll see right over here, you got the output 1, output 2, and then that's going to be the input. So you're going to put this charger in right over here to get it going. Now, to put this in right over here, we're going to line this side up right over here with this, just like that. And when we're inside, you'll see right over here, we're kind of going right over here. So when you are good to go, it's kind of going like this because we're not ready. We're not hooked up to anything or the right thing. So if I put these together just like this, it's gonna beep. It's gonna say, yo, like you are hooked up to the wrong thing. Do not turn on your car. Do not do anything. When it's hooked up to the right ones, you're gonna see green right here, and then you're gonna start your car and get it going, which is really, really nice. I just actually love this. It would make a great gift. It comes in this box right over here. So easy to throw this into a gift bag, wrap it up. Just really, really like this a lot. Again, super easy for someone like me who's not handy. I never want to be stuck to, like, you never want to have to rely on someone else to, one, have jumper cables, which I don't have, and two, drive beside your car and come or wait for a service to come pick you up. This is absolutely awesome. It's super compact, small. Like I said, comes in this case right over here. It does not take up a lot of space at all, which is a huge benefit. You could get up to, I think, 40 charges on a full, so you can get 40 jumps if this is fully charged, which is awesome. And yeah, this is just really great. I will be gifting these over Christmas. So if you're looking for a great portable jump starter to make sure you are never stuck, definitely check this out. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.